Hello there and welcome to Dori Talks. This is a brand new YouTube show. I'm Dori Soukup, founder of InSPAration Management, and I am here today to discuss with you why some medical spa businesses succeed and why some actually fail, and what you can do about it to make sure that you are in the top 5% of the people who actually succeed. So for years, I have been doing business videos and posting them on InSPAration Management YouTube channel. One of the things we've been doing for the past 10 years is publishing a monthly newsletter. As you know, it's called InSPAration Moments. Well, since we've done it for 10 years, we've decided to do something totally new and exciting. So it's time for Dori Talks. The Dori Talks show are created to bring you business strategies and industry topics to help you reach success the fastest way possible so you can increase your income. Okay, let's start with today's topic and discuss why some businesses succeed and why some fail or some actually flatline. So here's a moment of truth. We have all gone through some changes in the last few months. You can definitely say it's business unusual. Many businesses fall into three categories. One is, unfortunately, some people close their doors. Two, some are thriving and doing great. And some have just flatlined or basically are maintaining. So my question to you is, where do you stand? So here are some facts. According to the Small Business Administration, only the top 5% of all businesses go beyond $1 million in annual revenue. That's a very small percentage, isn't it? Yes, 86% of small business owners make less than $100,000 in income a year. As a matter of fact, many businesses operate as solopreneurs and they of course limit their growth. Those who have more employees are likely to earn more. So as a business firm, we get many phone calls from entrepreneurs who want to open a medical spa. So normally the phone call goes something like this. Hello, I'm a medical professional who works in a hospital or an ER room, or maybe they have their own practice and want to open up a cash business model with a medical spa. So they start learning all the skills. They sign up for places like the Empire Medical Training or maybe other resources, and they see themselves as the person delivering the treatments. So that's what we call a solopreneur. So that's fine and dandy, but as a solopreneur, you are limiting the amount of revenue that you could actually be generating because of that reason. Here are some statistics from the SBA regarding how the number of employees affect your revenue generation. So let me just give you some ideas here. If your revenue is about 400,000, that usually represents about 1 to 4 employees. If you have 5 to 9 employees, you're probably making about $1 million a year. If you have 10 to 19 employees, you're into now the 2 million and up. And if you have 20 and more, that's when you're really getting into serious revenue. So we're talking $7 to $10 million. So you see, when you decide to be a solopreneur, you're really limiting the amount you can actually grow. Most med spas have between 1 to 10 employees. They are making about $1 million per year. So the more money you want to generate, the more team members you actually need. So keep that in mind. All right, let's go back to my original question. Why do so few med spas succeed and why so many actually fail? Well, failure is caused by many reasons, but according to a recent study, 82% of businesses fail due to the lack of cash flow. Yes, cash flow. They run out of money. They run out of money because they did not have the right business model in place. The business model that we teach are the 4 S's. And when you implement the 4 S's, which are systems, structure, strategies, and solutions, it always leads to the 5th S, which is success. So I want to share with you a business model we teach to open up your eyes to the opportunities that you have and to the success that you can reach beyond your wildest dreams. So here's the model. The first thing you want to do is definitely focus on lead generation. The more leads you can generate, the more successful you're going to be. After the lead generation, we're talking about a conversion rate. We need to convert them from lead to actual consultation. So we want them to pick up the phone and make that consultation. Once we do the consultation, we want to be able to customize their program so they can come and we can truly help them. Once we customize their program, then we need to move into the actual membership model. Yes, you have to have a recurring revenue model and then turn them into a lifetime client. So I just did a webinar, as a matter of fact, about recurring revenue model and how to protect your business against any future disruptions. So you can watch it on YouTube, and make sure when you go to the InSPAration YouTube channel, make sure you ring the bell and get the notification thing going so you can get notified anytime we publish a video. So it's a big mistake that we see over and over and over. There's a lot of entrepreneurs who are trying to reinvent the wheel instead of looking for an actual business model that's been perfected and that you can simply apply into your business. Where are you in this picture? Have you perfected your business model? And are you reaching that revenue goal that you desire for your business? If not, it's your time to soar ahead now. It's your time to start flying and flying high. So here's how you can get started toward success. The first thing I'd like you to do is take some medspa business assessments. To do that, all you have to do is go to InSPArationManagement.com, and we have several assessments that you can take right there that will give you a very good idea of what you need to improve. The other thing is, we want to help come up with a strategic plan. So that's number 2. So first you assess. Second, once you find out exactly what you have going on, you want to be able to have that strategic plan. Because if you don't have a plan, then you're not going to be as effective. Once you create that plan, then you need to move into implementation. You need to start taking action so you can start flying high. This is very, very important for you guys to do. So go ahead, elevate your success, regain your passion, your drive, your excitement, and begin your path for growth. Discover those infinite opportunities that you have to grow your business exponentially. You guys can do this. So we just went through this process ourselves, and we reinvented actually InSPAration Management business model. That's why we actually stopped doing the InSPAration Moments and we're doing this type of show. We just invested a major amount of money into a studio where I'm actually broadcasting from right now, so we can bring you high quality shows to help you grow your business. InSPAration Management's goal is to provide the industry with valuable business strategies and publish it globally so everyone will benefit and make a great positive impact on people's lives. Remember why you went into business? You didn't go into business to break even. You went into business to have more time, more balance, more financial freedom, and less stress. You're taking a huge risk by being a business owner. So shouldn't you earn your true worth? Did you go into business to make less than $100,000 a year? Or did you go into business to make $250,000, $500,000, $1 million in net income a year? The choice is yours. There's only 1% of business owners who make between $250,000 to $500,000 to $1 million a year. Only 1%, you guys. You're probably thinking, is this really possible? Could I make this much in net income? Yes, you can. Anything is possible. You just need to take the right action. You need a proven model and you need to implement it. So do you want to know your true potential based on the number of rooms you have in your business? I want to give you a gift. Please go to InSPAration and download a capacity calculator so you can see what your true potential by treatment room truly is. I want you to get excited again. Make a decision to succeed. Success requires education for clinical and business. So make a commitment to start learning now, because the more you learn, the more you earn. Here's the truth. Success is a decision. And once you make a decision to succeed, then you need that blueprint to help you succeed. So I want to help you by letting you know that the Leap Ahead seminar is available on demand now. So if you are serious about your success, I would advise to go and start there. The Leap Ahead event is the best event, the best business model you can get your fingers on. It helps you from A to Z on how to operate your business successfully. So my advice would be for you to start there, get the big picture of where we're trying to take you so you can be in the top 5% or the top 1%, I prefer, and then you can start your path to success. Go to InSPArationManagement.com and there you'll be able to access the Leap Ahead seminar on demand and start celebrating your success. So before I let you go, I want to make a couple of announcements of things that we have coming up this month. So of course this is October, so happy October. I love this time of the year because, as you know, we live in Florida, and actually this morning was the first morning we felt a little cooler air, which was so nice and refreshing after a long hot summer. So here's what we have going on this month. Actually, we're very busy. We are starting out the month with the book gathering. We're doing the book gathering twice a month, and we're going over my book now, my latest book, How to Make Millions with Your Medical Spa. So feel free to go on the homepage and you can download a complimentary copy, or we're doing a special on Amazon now where you can buy it for only $1. Actually, we would like to give it for free. It's not like we want the dollar, but with Amazon, the only way you can get reviews on Amazon if somebody purchased the product. So I would advise you to go to Amazon, get your copy of the book, and start joining us every other week, every other Monday for the book gathering, so you can gain knowledge and strategies to help you implement in your business. The other thing we have going on, there's a special webinar we're doing this month. It's about how to host events either in person or virtually and make thousands of dollars. You can find that right on the home page under What's New, and you'll be able to register right there and join us. The other thing, of course, we have going on are the Brewing Brilliance for our mastermind members. We normally have 2 meetings for them. So one is going through our marketing strategies. We're doing 10 modules on marketing, so that would be the first webinar, and then we're doing our mastermind hour. And of course, we have Recipes for Success. The Recipes for Success is a training ideal for your team members. So it's a great way for you to actually arm your team with great strategies that they need to help you succeed. So those are the things that we have going on. This video will be available on YouTube as well as right on InSPAration Management under the blog section. Now, one other show we're getting ready to launch, and there's a video about it that you can also watch. It's called Meet the Experts, and Meet the Experts is going to be an amazing show to help you gain more exposure so you can attract more people to your business. And it's also going to have another version for vendors in the industry so you can attract people that want to purchase your products and your services. So we are super excited about those 2 shows coming up. And I want to advise you to go to YouTube, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop with everything that we have going on to help you succeed. So thank you so much for joining me for the first Dori Talks, and I look forward to bringing to you many other shows to help you with your business. Enjoy October, enjoy the change in weather, stay safe and healthy, and until next time, stay inspired.